you know that Indian elephants are known for their tremendous short-term memories? I wish I had a memory like that. That's my friend Bertha. Bertha's been in that shower for 68 years. She needs a pack of dermatologists. Oh, look at that little elephant. Did you know that Indian elephants are known for their tremendous short-term memories? Are you sure? I think I would have remembered. Oh no, my friend Squirt is going to get us wet. Everybody get down. I'm not kidding, I'm not kidding, I'm not kidding. I'm kidding. Yeah, we like to call that dry humor. Oh, on my right, so look at that explosion. We should get closer to it. Over here, my camp is being overrun by gorillas and baboons. Boy, it looks like the gorillas are going bananas. We should split before they see us. They find you quite appealing. This comes in bunches of terrible jokes, doesn't it? Now over here on my left side, if you look deep into this bamboo forest, you'll see absolutely nothing. It's exciting, but not as exciting as that large gorilla. Look at him reaching for that banana right there. That's because he finds bananas quite
appealing.
Appealing, nicely done. I want you to start tomorrow at 9 a.m. You have a boat license? Oh, it's okay, we're in the same boat. We're now in the Nile River. The Nile River is the longest river in Africa. It goes on for miles and miles and miles. If you don't believe me, you're all in
denial.
Africa. Oh, look at that little elephant over there. That's the African bull elephant. Wow. Did you know that African bull elephants are known for their tremendous short-term memories? Sure wish I had a memory like that. We're now entering into the African belt. Kids, everybody say ooh. Over here is the star of the Jungle Cruise movie, The Rock. That's the best joke we have, too, huh? I guess I plateaued too early then. Over here is a family of lions protecting a sleeping zebra. Aww. Yeah, that's how they sleep in the wild, with their necks slightly bent and eyes wide open. Sure looks dead tired, doesn't it? Dead. There on the pole too is my friend Skipper Felix. He's in trouble. I'm gonna need everybody to wave at Skipper Felix. Everybody wave. Wave and say hi, Enos.
Hi.
Yeah, there's like five of them over there. Doesn't help Felix out though. You know he argues every day with that rhino, sir? Every day. I say, Skip, don't argue with rhinos. They always get their point across. Yeah, in the end. It's a real bummer, huh? We're now at a pool full of angry hippos. Look how angry they are, everybody. They're blowing bubbles and wiggling their ears. I want to scare this big hippo away. Cover your ears, everyone. Oh, look, I scared him stiff. I'm a terrible shot too, man. I hippopotamus them all. Thank you. That's the best joke we have. It's better than that pachyderm joke I said earlier. It was like pachydermatologist. That's not a funny joke. On my left side is the Mekong Maiden. I want to translate some of these jokes for you as I drive by. Oh, that's a good one. He's telling me that elephants are known for their tremendous short-term memory. Are you sure? I think I would have remembered it by now. I don't remember. On my left side, we have our local entomologist studying those beautiful butterflies. Ma'am, did you know that butterflies aren't what they used to be? Caterpillars. That's a new joke, too. It took them 2 years to come up with that new material. We had to shut the whole park down for like a year and a half just to come up with that one joke about butterflies. I was like, really? A whole year for that one joke? On my right side is the 8th wonder of the world. The moment you've all been waiting for. The moment you'll remember for the rest of your lives. And that, of course, is the backside of water.
O-2-H.
Over here is the backside of rocks. Most of us take that one for granted. My sentiments exactly. Should have been bolder on that delivery, huh? I'll start with a clean slate next time. Too jaded though, I've been in the jungle too long. Everybody sounds petrified, so I should do something. We're now in the Amazon basin. Everybody say ooh.
Ooh.
The Amazon is home to thousands of hungry fish. If you look over the edge of the boat tonight, you'll see hungry piranhas. Ah! I don't know how they make it all the way from Hungary. Hungry piranhas from Hungary? Yeah, that's comedy gold. That's so good. I love that joke so much. Here in the tree though, kids, is a giant snake. Look at her in those branches over there. She reminds me of my ex-girlfriend, Anna. Anaconda. She was my first squeeze. She had a real crush on me too. Took my breath away. I couldn't commit to it. Stop. It's too constricting of a relationship. Here's our final disappointment of the evening, Trader Sam's gift shop. Home to our monkey photographer and Ellie the elephant. Everybody wave and say, hi Ellie! Hi Ellie! Did you know that Ellie is known for her tremendous short-term memory? You were right, buddy. I took that big full circle for you. Yeah, I started with the Indian elephants. I go all the way through. It's called commitment. Sure wish Anna saw that side. Everybody have a good time today?
Yeah!
I had such a good time, I'm gonna go again. Get to go on the same ride over and over and over. Say the same jokes over and over. Stay in school. You'll be helped out of the boat by Skipper Anna. When did you start working? Skipper Scotty and Skipper Roman and Skipper, I don't know that guy. Skipper Roman is known for his tremendous short-term memory though.